In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your old deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you want to recover your old deleted messages, even 5-year-old messages on WhatsApp without backup, then what you have to do is to click and hold on this WhatsApp's logo, go to app info, go to storage and cache, and then click on this clear cache option. After this, you need to close your phone settings and open your file manager. Go to all files and go to internal storage, Android, media, scroll down and click on com.whatsapp. Again, click on WhatsApp, go to databases and select all these files. Click on copy and go back to the previous folder. Then go to backups and paste all those files here. And once you have pasted all those files here, your old deleted chats on WhatsApp will be recovered without backup. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.